See where favor has protected you? Yeah, favor has protected us from our own mistakes. Well, funanga wa trend. Funanga shame is your portion. Helinda oyihambayo. Izinto zenzayo. Abantu ohlala nabo. Ama voice note owarecordayo. Ama video wabukayo. When we scandal, esihamba ngenyawo. But favor. Wathi cha ngeke ngivume. You know the types of lifestyle you live. Uma leti ngatholakala. Behavior yakhe emsebenzini une work husband indlela enidlala ngayo indlela enithintana ngayo ni share ikhaftini. If your husband can come engashonga emsebenzini wakho, this marriage is over. But favor